Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna have my sisters doing my makeup. We have done a video like this when I first started my channel, so if you're interested, I'll put it like up here. We're redoing this video like 2 years later, I think. Yeah. Now they're older, I'm older. Let's just get started. So I have like my foundations, my primer, and all that stuff laid down here, and then I have my brushes on this side. I'm not gonna tell them what goes first. They should know that already. So I'm just gonna let them do whatever they want.
I don't know what to do first.
Do I say everything I'm using or do I just go?
Well, tell them.
Okay, so I've never seen this. It says it's primer, so I'm gonna use the primer first because I know that much. They put primer before foundation. So, yeah.
Did I break it?
You're supposed to twist it.
Now you know I'm not gonna laugh because I just need a cough. Okay.
What the heck is this?
Okay, I'm gonna need more.
I'm so confused. Yeah, but I still don't get it. I'm like...
Don't put a lot of primer either. You're supposed to just rub it in on both sides.
Am I doing just one side?
I don't know. Just go to the other side.
Who knows what this is for, but...
Also, don't follow me. Last time that's what you did. You looked at what I did and then you copied me.
Just put a little bit on your hand. I'm massaging it all on my face.
Do you mix foundations?
I don't know, it's up to you guys. Whatever you guys want to do.
Here's the spinny thingy I learned.
So there's Maybelline Fit Me, and there's L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte.
This looks like nail polish. Okay.
Oof, I'm triggered.
Oh my god.
Better mix them good together.
Yeah, last time I left a blob over here, so now I'm gonna mix it good.
Yeah.
Finished using this one.
This one.
Foundation, I don't know. And I'm now putting a little bit of that darker
triggered.
one.
Okay.
Over here.
Oh my god, okay.
Alright, concealer. I think this goes after, right? You're not allowed to tell me anything? Okay, concealer. Remember where Diana put concealer on your face.
Just look at my face.
Oh. How am I even supposed to apply this? Eyeliner time.
Oh, Scary's gonna look like chocolate on your face.
Alright. I haven't been saying what I'm gonna use, but
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
using this eye Profession, I think.
I'm using the
Palette.
Anastasia Beverly Hills Contouring Kit. Now, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush palette, and I'm gonna use.
Myself, no me persiné.
I'll use this one, with this one.
Who knows what this is for?
Oh my god! This is bigger than
I think I'm gonna use this one, the middle one, right there. I don't know how to apply this, but I saw Diana how she does it. Okay. Oh, and she has a straight line of highlighter on her forehead now. Diana always goes crazy when she puts on highlighter, and then she's like, ooh, but the highlighter.
So I'm using the palette that she got me. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Just
Her collaboration with Morphe. So pretty. I'm gonna use this shade right here.
I'm gonna be using this crema suavizante de manzana para piel.
37, I think, or 87.
Okay, it's very hard to apply.
Oh my god, that was terrifying. Well, the foundation looks better on both sides. Oh, I see what you guys did with the highlight. Well, the highlight doesn't look so bad.
Yes, it does. For me.
On this side, yeah, it's like...
Yes.
Let me zoom you guys in. Can you guys see like the highlight that that my sister did right here? On this side, it doesn't look bad. It actually looks popping, beaming. The eyeliner looks pretty good.
Except for the little one dot.
On both sides. She kind of messed up right here.
Yeah.
The eyeshadow looks good. This side is more blended than this side. That's okay. I have one brow done and one not done. The lips came out good. One is, half of it is gloss, half of it is matte. Curly. Overall, it didn't come out bad, I think. What do you guys think?
A
1 out of 10, I would give it, yeah, like a 6 or 7. Good job, girls. Alright, well, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.